Guys, we're driving through town and there is a deer in town. I don't know if this will make what vlog it's gonna make, but today is it went away. Today was Monday, June 11th.
Because a new game was coming out.
Miss Emma Ann's driving us everywhere.
Go as fast as I can. Is that what you said?
No, that is not.
Wait. Did you hear when you said there's a deer? Did you hear Leo barking?
Down here. The Shepherd Rose will find the deers.
Romy said you heard Leo barking.
Yeah.
Because Leo's Leo. He's a barking dog.
There it is.
Oh, lean back.
Move your head, Emma. We found the deer.
The butt of the deer.
This used to be an old trailer park.
Really?
Yeah. So we got a deer in town, people.
That happens once in a while.
Not really.
Not that often. It looks like a buck.
Should I drive down?
Yeah, you can. Oh, don't go down in there, no.
Drive where?
Move your head. It looks like a buck. For what I can tell. Go straight down and then turn.
He looked at us. He's like, what?
Yeah, he's looking at us. It's a buck. Oh, we're gonna see if we can get a better view
There's a
of
dog
Mr.
now.
Deary.
Oh, the dog must have scared it.
No, a car came by and it scared it through.
Oh, but there's a dog.
It hears. We're up no mowing.
I don't know where it's at.
Keep going straight. It was right about where this road is. There it is.
I'll drive forward a little bit. Can I turn into it a little bit?
Just a little, yeah. See if we can
so
see it.
scared?
Yeah, it's a white-tailed deer, and I guarantee it's a buck. It looks like it.
It's like, what are you?
Yeah, I mean, it's zoomed in as far as I can get it zoomed in. But, yep, it's in town here. So, alright, guys, what you gotta say? Ooh, Emma, you're zoomed so in. What you gotta say, Emma?
Peace.
What you gotta say, Andrew?
I want to take a picture of the deer. Can I call? I want to call him Jerry.
Well, Miss Emma wanted to chase the sunset down, so let's see if we can catch it when we get on the other side of these trees. And on top of the hill. Is that what you wanted to see, Emma Ann?
It was a lot brighter before, and it was like across the entire sky.
Yeah, but look at the cloud line.
That's what makes it super pretty. You can't tell me that's not pretty.
That's not pretty.
Just lie to yourself.
No, it is pretty.
Maybe look over there. It's really nice.
Yeah, well, watch where you're driving. Alright, this is far enough out, I think.
No, what should I turn?
I think there's an approach right here, isn't there? It's up a little further, I think.
I could
Right here.
Oh, I missed it. I told you it was there and you said no, it's up a little farther.
And it's starting to rain. I don't know if you can see that. But that does look pretty.
Aren't you glad I came on
Yeah, there's another one right here.
now?
You probably have to pull. Yeah, you have to pull in that way and then back out.
That's what I was gonna do with the last one.
So, all right, guys, we figured we'd give you a little bit of a North Dakota sunset tonight. Like I said, I don't know when this part of it's going up on the vlog, but eventually this will be a vlog if Andy knows that I recorded on my phone. So,
If he does.
what you got to say to everyone, Emma Ann?
I'm gonna go as fast as I can.
Emma Ann.
That's what I said. I'm gonna go as fast as I can just for the vlog. You ready for this, guys? I have to hit 55.
Not like that, you don't. You don't have to go 0 to 55 in 2.2 seconds.
But I have to hit 55.
Or what's it, 0.2 seconds? You don't need to go 55 that quick.
But I still had to hit 55.
Alright, guys. Now we're on our way home.
This looks
Yeah.
ugly.
That looks pretty.
This right here?
The rain?
This right? No, like.
Oh. Yeah. Alright, peace out. What's the matter? Ooh, I dropped everyone. What's the matter, Emma Ann?
I'm tired.
Oh, poor baby's got to work today. It's not like she's got to work hard because I think Mom's going to end up doing most of the work.
Oh, I'll go to a different room and take a nap.
That's about it. Today is Tuesday?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 12th. So the first part of this video will be Monday the 11th, and then the rest of it will be Tuesday the 12th.
1, 2, 3.
What was that about?
Because Monday was the 11th and Tuesday was the 12th. So 1 for 1, 1, 2 for 1, 2, and that just adds the 3 in there because it's
Just for poops and shits and giggles?
Yeah.
Now we're about to get attacked by the killer birdies. Oh wait, let me roll up my window before you open your door. So the attack of the killer birdies. Don't forget that stuff down there. Attack of the killer birdies. Don't poop in my car. Today we're at the lodge, what used to be the nursing home. See, they're sending out the warning. They're coming, they're coming. They're coming. Attack of the killer birdies. See? Attack of the killer birdies. Run, Emma, run! Okay, we survived the attack of the killer birdies. Now, can we survive the rest of the work day? Later. Well, hello!
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Hello? What?
I started the vlog yesterday, so people are going to get part of yesterday afternoon.
Oh,
And
oh,
the
I
rest
know
of
you did.
today.
Yeah.
So,
Welcome to vlog 172.
kind of late into the vlog to say that.
Oh, you got. Oh, wow.
Where are we going?
Washburn,
For what?
Vienna sausages.
Oh, I like Vienna sausages. Do I get to eat them?
You can eat the sausages. I need the juice.
The juice is the favorite part now.
Juice is your favorite part.
I like Vienna sausages.
So do I.
They're good on crackers.
Mm-hmm.
With a little bit of cheese in a can. Nothing like processed crap all the way around.
Mm-hmm.
What you gotta say to everybody there, Sherlock?
I gotta slow down. I'm doing 80.
Oh, and the speed limit's only 70.
There we go. I'm fixed.
Oh, and you talk about me.
What do I gotta say to everybody? Hello, especially to our new subscribers. You know, we went from from 640 to 654 in like overnight. It's crazy. Hope you guys enjoy the channel.
Thank you. Welcome. Like, I'm trying to make like a crowd screaming, and I didn't do a very good job of it. But that's okay.
Was that a fly or something?
No, I just felt like slapping the dash with my shoe. Who wants to see me hit Andy?
No, nobody.
Oh, you're no fun. Is that a copper?
I think it is.
I don't think it is.
Oh, it might not be. No, it's not.
Unless it's an undercover copper.
I don't stop for undercover. What'd you do? Drop that?
Yeah. I dropped even my phone. Say Andy's a butthead. Andy's a butthead.
I don't think so.
I do. Alright, guys.
Did you put did you put stuff on there this morning too?
Yeah, whatever.
Oh.
Put M and the M's.
M and the M's.
M and the M's. Peace. Okay, guys. Goober had texted me, and he only texted me the word bring.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm supposed to bring.
Do you really?
Well, I'm supposed to bring something.
Do you really want me to tell you?
What?
I can't because it's a family-friendly channel.
Oh, wait a minute. I know what you wanted me to bring. Hold on. Let me put these containers down since I knew we were going to need them down here. You wanted me to bring this.
No. No.
Alright, sorry guys, but the husband's a butt munch sometimes. And we have a hatched eggie. In this one?
No, we'll use this one here because it's a little deeper.
That's a lot deeper.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it apart.
Sorry, you said to look at that mess
What mess were they looking at?
over there.
Oh, that's always.
Here, you want to take it, but just don't hit the buttons down here. Because that's how I turned it off.
Alright, here, I gotta put some holes in it for you.
But we got a baby. We got a baby. Let's see if we can peek at the baby without him running away.
That's super giant.
Oh, is that, this one's, oh, it does look bigger.
It's a lot bigger. Ow.
There's the baby. Where's the baby? There's the baby. There's the baby.
That thing is huge compared to the other ones.
It is. Nah. Get in there. You're not coming out yet. Alright, guys. We're going to get its home ready. We'll be right back. Alright, guys. We got to make this section quick. Ah! Only for the fact that my phone's at like 10%, but I wanted to show you the baby. There's the baby. There's the baby. Oh, we got a clearer cut now that we can actually see in there. No. And this one, if I'm not mistaken, number 3 was born from one of the super giants.
Yeah, it was a super giant to a super giant.
So this one's a super giant. It was a super giant mom and a super giant dad, which made a super giant baby. And these babies are like almost double the size of my normal size ones. So we're gonna call you Little Giant. So I just can't wait till they get big enough and we can determine their sex. Well, alright, so there's the new addition, and I guarantee it's womb mate. We'll be hatching here in the next few hours because they usually hatch the same day. Usually I get one in the morning and one in the afternoon. As you see, it was egg number 3. I don't know if you can tell that on there. This was clutch number 3. So, alright guys, we'll get back to you. Alright guys, come down to do some work. And it's just now coming out of the egg. Look, the head's out. It literally is just now coming out of the egg. Look, half the body's still in there. No, I can't get a good picture of it that way because there's... Oh! Give me that chair. Ooh, this one's sharp looking. No, 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 no.
Why, does it look different than the other one?
Yes, it does.
Let me see. It's out already?
Yeah, it just came out. The tail's still like in a little bit.
Oh, it's opposite markings. Is that what you mean? I can't tell. Oh, very cool. Alright, well I'm going to go over here and check for gecko eggs real quick.
I need a container to put it in. And this one has pitch black ice too. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to do this.
Fast.
I know that.
Alright, just set that on there. Okay.
I'm just going to take that out for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First, let me remove that.
You want to do it over here, over top the incubator, so if it jumps, it can't.
Yeah.
Or do you want me to clean this out?
No, we'll do it over here. That's fine.
Hold on, guys. Then I got to sit you down.
Look, it's still. I'm gonna have a heck of a time. Get in. No, 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 no.
Wait a minute, hon. Here. It's not going to come in that way. You're going to have to pick it up with your hands.
Well, I'm trying to, but it's just running too fast.
Here, this is funny.
I don't know, they kind of look identical.
These two are identical because they're both super giants for sure.
No, I mean, all except for this one has a spot,
and that one
and
does.
this one doesn't.
Very cool.
All right, let me grab the water. Careful that lid's not on all the way.
I got you. There we go.
I
There, you got the rest of this now?
think so. Mm. I turned the video off. Sorry guys, I turned these off and I didn't mean to. Here, look at a hognose. At least I give them something to look at. They get to look at a hognose. Oh,
These ones don't seal the same, but
yeah.
it's okay for right now because we're going to have to put them in another tub. But I'm going next door. In the room next to us. Not next door.
I know what you meant. I don't like those.
I don't either. They don't keep her.
So, but we still have some more in there.
Yep, number 4s will be
Whole
next.
bunch in there. Now, baby. All right. Came over to the gecko room. And these are babies. #1 eggs. So these guys are about, what, a week old?
Yeah,
Give or
roughly.
take. Give or take a couple of days. Yeah. And these are eggs number 2. Trying to get in there so you can see them. Should have turned my flash on so you could have seen them better, but here I'll pull them out into the light. I just like how they come from the same mom and dad.
And they look so totally
They
different.
look, these two do.
Mm-hmm.
Look totally different. And then these ones were born about 2-3 days after egg number 1.
She's got an ovulation shit going on.
I don't see anything in there.
Ah, this has got 2 minutes.
Yep. Alright, guys. Remember always to like, comment, and share. And always share the love.
And subscribe.
Put your arm back up. Oh, that was a big chunk of deodorant.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell everybody about our big giveaway coming up.
You never know what you'll get. You'll never know.
What is it? Life is... but
Life
it's
is like a box of
But in
chocolate.
this case, it's geckos. They're like a box of chocolates. You never know what you'll get.
Oh, this one's
inside
shedding.
the eggs.
Oh, this one looks weird.
Is it shedding really big?
Yeah.
Ooh, trip, Andrew. Don't trip, buddy. I almost tripped his head, Ed.
There's a gecko in shed.
Yeah.
I can't see. You're blocking the light.
When we got her, she didn't look so well, remember? And now she's starting to put on weight. Her tail's starting to get up the size.
Yeah, but I feel bad for her because
No,
she
she's going to eat
can't
that.
see.
She's eating it.
It's nowhere near her mouth.
You jumper. You're a jumpy
Well, I'm
one.
trying to help her, you know. Come on. I was trying to help her, but obviously she doesn't want help. No, got the foot off. I was trying to get it off of her face. Look, she can't even blink, hon.
Where?
Look, she can't even get it. She's struggling.
That'll help her some.
Yeah.
Moisten it up a little bit.
And it's just like covering her poor eyeballs. I feel bad.
Nobody's over there.
All right, guys. Peace. We'll see you tomorrow.
Peace out.